Welcome to our website. On sale now. This vehicle was originally listed at $26,615. We've marked it down to $16,999. You save $9,616. This inspected and serviced 2012 Chevrolet Orlando is for sale on our lot in Tisdale and ready for family fun. This low-mileage SUV has just 20,000 kms. It's black granite metallic in color. It has an automatic transmission and is powered by a 24Li 416 VGDI DOHC engine. This vehicle also has the following options: 16-inch alloy wheels, front bucket seats, remote vehicle start, power sliding glass sunroof. It has some remaining factory warranty for peace of mind. The all-new 2012 Chevrolet Orlando's beautiful design comes as a combination of a MPV and a crossover, adopting a bolder look with its low roofline and crossover-inspired silhouette, makes a statement and stands out from the crowd. The new Orlando builds on the transformation of Chevrolet's fuel-efficient and versatile product portfolio, offering a family-friendly vehicle with its expected segment-leading fuel efficiency and standard 7-passenger seating. Orlando should be a popular choice with Canadian families. Out Orlando 2LT comes with standard features including a 16-inch alloy wheel, front fog lights, heated power adjustable manual folding exterior rear view, solar rear door, quarter glass and rear glass, audio system, AM/FM stereo, CD player, MP3 playback, graphical display with auxiliary input jack and 6 speakers, USB port in center console, Bluetooth for phone, premium glossy trim, steering wheel with auxiliary audio controls, cruise control, front manual controls, air conditioning with air filtration system, heated ducts for your passenger seats, traction control, and on start to apply right now. For financing, use this link. https://gmcldealercc or eformscom Bomer Finance Pre-Qual Form. Original domain equals http://3a%2f%2f www.bowmargmca%2f and visitor it equals OB60E1DACB7 at Bowmar Sales Limited. Customers are our top priority. BR/book your test drive today. Call 306-873-2633 and speak with one of our knowledgeable staff. We are proud to serve the Tisdale and Prince Albert, SK region with our unique blend of customer service and outstanding products combined. Check out our fleet of 60+ used cars and trucks and 50+ new cars and trucks for sale in Tisdale.